Hello, here have a hack, okay, or a trick for the block blast, okay, for the get a super high score, okay, in this game. Okay, we are going to the block blast app, okay, and we are going to the classic mode. Okay, here have the go to the replay, okay, and here have these pieces, okay, and you put the pieces here, okay. You put this, okay, and this, okay. You put this, and here you have the hack, okay. You put this, okay, this, and this, okay, and this. It's so easy, okay. The game of Block Blast with this trick, okay, here and you put, okay, the pieces here, okay, and here have the hack for the Block Blast glitch, okay. Bye bye.